All right, so I have designed and 3D printed a case for my AlexaPi project. And I wanted to show it off a little bit. So everything here that's not electronics is 3D printed. I printed this grill, I printed the speaker mounts behind it. This box acts as a cabinet for the speakers. I tuned it. It's ported and it's got tuning for these speakers I got off Parts Express. Inside here is an amplifier it's just a do-it-yourself PCB that you assemble. It's just through hole, takes about 15 minutes to assemble. This is the microphone off of a PlayStation Eye camera. The camera itself is I pulled the lens off of it and put the PCB in here. But there's 4 microphones in a row here, and when you sum them together in software, you get an omnidirectional kind of a donut that expands outwards, and it doesn't have as much. It kind of sort of cancels from above and below. I don't know. It's a little more omnidirectional. And this is a lighted LED here. That's a button. So you can push the button to talk like you could before. She's not powered yet, but you could push the button to talk just like you could before. And I added a voice control using Sphinx, where if you say her name, she will respond. There's an Ethernet port here in case I need it, but I don't need it. I've been connecting via Wi-Fi. And in here this is just a channel, an empty tube that goes up to the box here, so I can get anything I need to in and out. And at this point, it's just a USB cable. I've got my battery pack here for fun to power her up. So let's see if I can plug her in. All right, let her boot. And on my thing here, I've added a couple other features. In addition to the voice control, I have it install AirPlay via SharePort Sync, and that works pretty well. And I have added a thing where if you push the button for 10 seconds and hold it, it issues a halt command. So it shuts down the computer without...
Hello.
Oh, there she is. So it shuts down the computer without having to, go in, log in, and shut it down, or else just unplug it, which is not fun to do to a running Linux system. So she's here. Let's see if she works. Alexa,
Yes.
what time is it? So she listens for 5 seconds. She hears her trigger word, she listens for 5 seconds.
It's 10:39.
All right, so that's working. And then let's see if I can get AirPlay working. I don't have an iPhone with me right now, but I have an Android tablet that's got a decent AirPlay app. There's Alexa 2.0.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Alexa. There, we're connecting.
Don't worry about it.
All right, so it says it's connected. Let's see if we can play some music through here. All right. That's coming from there, not from there. And you can turn this up pretty good. So that makes me pretty happy. Oh. Anyway, there we go. And I wanted to demonstrate, let's see, I'll turn that off. There we go. Okay, and then I just want to demonstrate the shutdown. So you hold it for 10 seconds. I don't feel like, you can ask her questions just like you could before. So who's the president of Portugal? See if you can parse my stuttering.
Sorry, I can't find the answer to the question I heard.
Well, it's a tough question. Who's the president of Portugal? I don't even know if they have a president.
Portugal's president is Aníbal Cavaco Silva.
There you go. All right, so anyway, let's shut her down. So I'll press the button, hold it down for 10 seconds. Nobody's going to talk this long. I hope. Or
Shutting down.
Yeah, she issues the halt command. And then she's gone. Thanks for watching. Pretty pleased with this little guy. Took 48 hours to print this. It was just running all that time in 2 spools of plastic. I should have anticipated the sheer amount of mass that this puppy was going to have. Anyway, thanks.